In today's video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to create a professional website for free using the Hostinger trial. If you are looking to get your project online without breaking the bank, this is the perfect solution to get started right now. By following this guide, you will learn how to set up an account, pick a stunning template, and use the powerful drag-and-drop editor to build your site from the ground up. If this video helps you get your website live today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss out on our future web design tips. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, head over to your browser and navigate to hostinger.com. Once the homepage is loaded, you will see a prominent button that says Start Free Trial. Go ahead and click that to initiate the setup wizard. You will be prompted to sign up using your email address, so fill in your credentials to create your account. Once you are logged into the dashboard, you will be presented with a few options to get started. You want to look for the Website Builder option. Select that and click on the Start Building button. This will open the template library, which is where the magic happens. Take your time to browse through the various designs. There are dozens of professional options available for every kind of niche. Pick a template that aligns with the vision you have for your site. Once you have chosen your design, you will be taken to the live editor. This is a powerful drag-and-drop tool that makes web design accessible to everyone. You can easily click on any element to change the text, upload your own images, or add entire new sections to your pages without touching a single line of code. Feel free to experiment with the layouts, colors, and fonts until you are satisfied with how everything looks. Once you have made your changes, click on the Preview button in the top corner to see exactly how your site will appear to visitors on both desktop and mobile devices. Now, because we are utilizing the free trial, you are going to use a temporary subdomain provided by Hostinger to connect your website. This is completely fine for getting started or testing your ideas. Once everything is perfect and you are ready for the world to see your work, navigate to the top right corner and click Publish. This will make your beautiful new website live on the internet immediately. It really is that simple to build your presence online, and you can come back to the builder at any time to make further updates as your project grows. If you followed along with these steps and successfully launched your site, please hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.